TJX Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get store cards wrong by assuming they only work in store. But the TJX Credit Card offers more than just retail convenience. The surprising truth is that it's packed with rewards for TJX shoppers, including TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods. The card offers 10% off your first purchase and earns 5 points per dollar at TJX stores, 1 point per dollar elsewhere. Points can be redeemed for reward certificates, giving shoppers extra value on future purchases. There's no annual fee, which makes it low risk for casual shoppers. Additional perks include purchase protection, fraud alerts, and convenient mobile account management. For frequent TJX shoppers, points can add up quickly and translate into real savings over time. The downside? Rewards are limited outside TJX stores, and interest rates are higher than standard cards, so carrying a balance can reduce value. Verdict: worth it for TJX shoppers looking for store rewards and discounts. Leave it if you rarely shop at TJX stores or want broader cashback rewards.